What's up, guys? Gonna be heading to a call. Gonna be replacing a capillary tube and a filter dryer on a little Victory reaching little single door on their counter. I was there on Monday and found that the cap tube was restricted, and then I had been there like a month ago. I replaced the filter dryer and then kind of got them by. Told the guy that we might have to replace the capillary tube if it found the same issue, which is a restriction. And yeah, I was there on Monday. Yeah, I had the same problem, so I'm gonna be heading out there and gonna replace the cap tube, and we're gonna put a dryer that I usually that I use usually when I get a restriction more than once on a small system like the one I'm gonna be working on right now. So stay tuned, and we'll see how this goes. Hopefully this takes care of the problem. All right, stay tuned. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Here working on a little Victory on the counter refrigerator. This model number, I believe it's here, serial number, model number. We had a restriction at the cap tube. You can see the old cap tube here. It's hard for a technician to pull this cap tube on this Victory unit. You just pretty much leave it in there. You just run your new cap tube. As you can see, I ran it under the line and then I made my wall right there. So this is the little guy I'm working on. Torch has got the nitro right there. Got my old dryer that I put in about a month ago. And then this is my new cap tube in place with the bigger dryer. These dryers are pretty good. When we have restrictions, they usually work pretty good. After you have a few restrictions, you might as well put one of those dryers. There's a part number for this guy. It's Portland dryer. I really like this dryer right here. Okay, so everything nice and tight. I am holding pressure. I'm gonna get ready to pull a vacuum, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, okay. Everything up and running. Everything operational now. We are looking really good. That's how everything looks after the cap tube. Jug right there. Got my pressures. Here, old cap tube, nitro bottle right here. Got the tubes right there. We're gonna drop the temperature. I'm gonna have to adjust that temperature control. That might be a little too low. But yeah, other than that, everything is looking good. Cap tube in place. Those dryers are pretty good. So yeah, that's how I do, I guess. One of these cap tubes, that's how I replace it. I'd like to thank people that have subscribed to my channel. I haven't really had time to make videos lately, but I do want to thank you for that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be making some more videos soon. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for that. Yeah, just stay tuned. I'll be making videos soon. And yeah, I got more videos coming. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.